The Easy Arabic Series, Day 2. What is this? ما هذا ما هذه. ما, what? هذا, this is. ما هذا, what is this? هذا, this is. كتاب, book. هذا كتاب, this is a book. ما, what? هذه, this is. What? ما هذه, what is this? هذه, this is. قطة, cat. هذه قطة, this is a cat. Today you learned what is this? ما هذا for masculine and ما هذه. What is this for feminine? You can practice ما هذا, هذا كتاب, and ما هذه, هذه قطة, and ما هذا, هذا قلم.